What's up guys, Caleb here from Srkcycles.com, and you're looking at a 2015 Harley Davidson Street 750. Guys, this bike's pretty cool. This is a bike we sold. Someone traded it back into us. It's a pretty awesome bike. It just got a ton of work done to it at Harley. It runs amazing. But this is a walk around video, so I'm going to show you exactly what's wrong with this bike. First thing, it is missing a bolt right there. Interesting. Not a huge deal. But it is missing that bolt. It's got some scratching around this bolt. Some scratch around that bolt as well. Just have some scratches, see along there. Which is kind of common when this stuff is all blacked out. You know, it really just shows everything. Okay, it's all in pretty good shape, guys. Scratching here on the end of the lever. It's all in pretty good shape. Front fender's got a scratch right there. Love that bullet fairing. Tires are in great shape. They are Michelin Harley Davidson tires. Harley Davidson? Just Michelin tires. Oh yeah, they are Harley. Michelin Harley tires. It's all in pretty good shape over here. A little bit of a smudge right there. Some markings on the seat. Scuff right there. Not a huge deal, guys. Top of the tank's in good shape. Let's flip this. $1,878 miles on it. Here we go. Oh. Okay. Oh. Super dumb. That's great, guys. Pretty much all stock, guys. Like I said, 2015 Harley Davidson Street 750. It's a great running bike, guys. It is going to be pretty cheap. Let me know if something you're interested in. These bikes never last long when I have them. I will be posting it, and yeah, check out the test drive video on this bike. Make sure that it's something you're interested in. It is a great beginner bike, but it also is a great bike for just a commuter or something like that. So thanks so much for watching, guys, and make sure to check out the test drive video on this bike as well as check out the Instagram, Srkcycles. Thanks so much for watching, guys.